People can be very judgmental, right? I mean, it's a big waste of time. Let me just tell you, like, if you're one of those people who are being judgmental and just, focusing on who's doing what and, just talking about them, gossiping because, I wouldn't do it that way. I wouldn't say it like that. And it's a big waste of time. And a lot of times, people are doing things out of brokenness. Because they're hurt. They're hurt because of, they just got broken in a relationship, or they've been cheated on, or, somebody died, they have loss, or their past was just a very hard upbringing, and they're coming from all this pain. And people who have this pain, it comes out. And sometimes you're the one that it comes out on. Because hurt people will hurt others. Broken people will break others. So instead of just getting stuck in this judgmental mindset where you're like, I can't believe they did that, I can't believe they talked to me. Like, nobody talks to me like that. And you get all frustrated and angry, and you lose your peace, and you're giving them your power to your peace and your happiness because of judgment. Don't judge. Be a part of the answer. Don't be a part of the problem. But how? How, right? Because, it's just hard. It's easy for you to say because all these people are doing these things and they're, being mean. First, you need to change your perspective and understand, look at, if this person, just think of that person that has hurt you and that you get, so judgmental about, and you start to tell other people things about them. Think about that person right now. If that person, if they knew their value, if they knew what they were worth, if they knew what they were here for, if they knew that they were loved, would they be acting that way? No, right? So think about that. So now when you have that perspective, you're not going to be hurt by them, you're going to hurt for them. And now that positions you to be a part of the answer rather than a part of the problem where you're being judgmental. So this is what you do. It's very practical. You have to die to self though. You can't just make it all about you, because if you do, you're gonna have expectations, and they're gonna say something that you don't like, and you're like, see, it doesn't work. And you get all frustrated. Don't give them that power. You need to know who you are and know what you're doing here. Don't judge. Be a part of the answer. Help. How? Use the power of your words. You see, you need to look past all this junk, all those things that are irritating you, that are frustrating you, that you hate, those things that you're like, stop doing those things. You look past it and you find their potential. You look and you dig and you find something good that is inside of them, and you show them and you tell them about the power of your words. You say, look, the way you're acting doesn't match who I really believe who you are. This is who I think you are. You're a loving person. You are, power. You can do amazing things. You begin to show them the goodness that you see inside of them, so that they can begin to look past and think, oh, you're right. And it begins to pump them up, and so they can rise above all those things that they're doing that are irritating you. Use the power of your words and stop judging and start helping.